Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make pilau. Yeah guys, we have amazing recipe today. We are making pilau. So first of all, I have half a kg of meat here. This is just a beef. It is not a goat meat. So I've said that it is just a beef meat, so I'll cut it. I won't cut it into small pieces, but just medium, because I want to see some meat in my pilau. So guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to Dorineskitchen. Support me, guys. Help your girl to reach 20k subscribers, guys. If you know that you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate your work. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much, so much. So, guys, as you can see in the video, I've cut the meat. So let's go to the next step. I've washed my meat. Now I will put it in a sufuria. So let's add some water and cook our meat, guys. I think I will cook it for 25 minutes, around 25 to 30 minutes, because I want my meat to be soft. Then later, when my meat is boiling, I've decided to prepare my onions here. It doesn't matter how the style you are going to use to cut your onions, so long as your onions are being chopped. So guys, stay tuned. Let's make this pilau.
Retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. They fit there to see. Rage is like a weed, spread into the streets. It's time to make them bleed. 'Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. Flip gods into weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
Guys, after finishing cutting my tomatoes, as you can see in the video, I have prepared my ginger, garlic, onion. So after finishing preparing the tomatoes, my meat is ready now, as you can see in the video. So what is next? I'm going to add vegetable oil. Yes, just add enough vegetable oil to cook your meat well. I think I have just left a small piece of soup there. So I will add my cumin seeds and black pepper seeds, as you can see in the video. Then I will salt them. Yes, make sure that you cook your meat until they are golden brown, guys. Let's go to the next step. you can see, the meat has started to be golden brown. Make sure that you cook your meat well until that you get that color, that brown. As you can see, they are brown. So next step, we are going to add our garlic and ginger. So salt them, let the garlic and ginger cook. Don't burn the garlic and ginger, just a little bit, cook them. Then we will add some onions, as you can see in the video, guys. Let's continue cooking this pilau.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. No pain for their disease. Just like a weed spread.
See in the video, guys, my meat is just ready, so it is now time to add water. I've added boiled water now because I wanted to make my pilau very fast. Hey, those chickens are making for me noise. So guys, I've washed my rice. I've just added my washed rice. Just put enough water. If you are using two cups, you have to add 4 cups. So that is the procedure I've used. Now I will cook my rice for around 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, after 15 minutes, my rice is ready. Pilau is ready, guys. So what I will do, I will just leave it for just something like 3 minutes. Then I will serve it. So guys, if you like what you are seeing in the video, guys, support your girl. Subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share, guys. So I think I've prepared my kachumbari. Kachumbari is just a salad. It is just tomatoes, onions, and coriander leaves or parsley leaf if you can get. So guys, let's enjoy the pilau when it is very hot, guys. When pilau is cold, that one is not pilau. Enjoy pilau when it is hot, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Bye.